Welcome to our channel. Today we how to block ads on YouTube, quick method step by step clearly. To block ads on YouTube using a browser extension, start by opening your web browser. Go to the official extension store for your browser. For Chrome, visit the Chrome Web Store. For Firefox, go to the Firefox add-ons page. In the search bar, type ad blocker. Review the available options and select a highly rated ad blocker like AdBlock Plus or uBlock Origin. Click on the Add to Browser Name button to download the extension. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, find the ad blocker icon on the toolbar of your browser. Click the icon to open the extensions menu. Ensure that ad blocking is enabled. You may also want to adjust the settings according to your preferences. After configuring the extension, refresh your YouTube page. Now, enjoy watching videos with significantly fewer ads. For mobile users, consider downloading an ad blocking app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, follow the app setup instructions to enable ad blocking. After configuring the app, open YouTube and experience ad-free viewing. Regularly check for updates to your ad blocker for the best performance. By using these methods, you can effectively block ads on YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.